From the dawn of civilization, humanity has dreamed of creating artificial intelligence, thinking machines that could help us solve the most complex problems and take us to the stars. At first, the idea was confined to the pages of science fiction. But soon it began to take shape in the minds of brilliant scientists and engineers. He believed that if a machine could mimic human speech and behavior, then it could be considered intelligent. These algorithms were like recipes for machines, telling them step by step how to perform specific actions. With these tools in hand, scientists began to create the first artificial intelligence programs. His theory laid the foundation for what would become one of the most important fields of study in all of science. But as the years went on, they became more sophisticated, able to learn from their experiences and improve their performance over time. It wasn't until recently that we saw the rise of GPT models, which are generative pre-trained transformer models that have taken AI to new heights. GPT models are trained on massive amounts of text data and can generate realistic and coherent responses to natural language inputs. Some experts believe that AI will eventually surpass human intelligence, leading to a world where machines can help us solve some of the most pressing problems facing humanity, from climate change to disease. It's transforming industries, automating tasks, and enabling us to accomplish things we once thought were the realm of science fiction. It's even in our workplaces. It's becoming more and more integrated into our everyday lives, helping us to do things more efficiently and effectively. Others worry that AI could pose a threat to humanity, leading to a dystopian future where machines rule over their human creators. They've revolutionized the way we interact with machines, making AI systems more intuitive and user-friendly than ever before. What do you think? Has AI become a tool, a partner, or a master? See you next time. One of the earliest examples of this was a program called Deep Blue, which was created in the 1980s by a team of researchers at the University of Edinburgh. They also enable voice assistants to understand and respond to complex requests, making our lives easier and more convenient. Deep Blue was designed to play chess, one of the most complex games in the world. And in 1997, it became the first AI program to defeat a reigning world champion. In the early 1950s, Alan Turing, one of the pioneers of computer science, proposed the idea of a machine that could think. We're also seeing AI being used to improve healthcare, education, and transportation. Around the same time, the first algorithms were invented, sets of instructions that could be used to solve problems and complete tasks. AlphaGo was designed to play a game called Go, which is even more complex than chess. It's up to us to ensure that it's developed and used responsibly. But one thing is certain, AI is here to stay, and it's up to us to decide whether it becomes a tool, a partner, or a master. Go requires players to strategize based on an incredibly vast number of possible moves and outcomes. But AlphaGo was able to learn from millions of human games and then use its knowledge to defeat some of the best professional Go players in the world. At first, these programs were simple, solving basic logic puzzles or playing rudimentary games. In the 2000s, researchers began to explore the use of neural networks, which are inspired by the structure of the human brain, to create more intelligent and adaptable AI systems. This led to breakthroughs in areas such as image recognition, natural language processing, and machine translation. But this was just the beginning. As the technology developed, so did the capabilities of AI. One of the most impressive examples of this is a program called AlphaGo, which was created by Google DeepMind in 2016. But even as AI continued to advance, there were still limitations. For example, GPT models power chatbots that can hold conversations with humans, answer questions, and even generate creative content. And as we look to the future, the possibilities seem endless. But one thing is for sure, AI is already changing the world in ways we never imagined possible. Today, AI is everywhere. It's in our smartphones, it's in our homes, it's in our cars. We're seeing AI-powered robots that can perform repetitive tasks in factories and warehouses, as well as more advanced robots that can interact with humans in a variety of settings. As we move forward, it is important to remember that AI is a tool that can be used for good or for bad. Thank you for watching this episode. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe and join the discussion in the comments below.